Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting a timer on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the side button to wake the watch's screen, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu. Scroll down the menu and tap Timer. You can choose from some timer presets, or if you scroll down to the bottom, you can tap Custom to create a custom timer. Set the amount of time that you would like and tap the tick. You can pause the timer by tapping the pause button on the right and resume it by tapping the play button. To stop the timer, tap the red stop button on the left. When the time is up, your watch will vibrate and show this screen. You can tap the button on the right to reset the timer, or the stop button on the left to stop it. If you click out of the timer app, your timer won't go off. The watch screen can lock, but if you tap the side button to go back, then the timer won't go off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.